So here I am sewing together the lining part to my flap. Because of the piece that's on the bottom, which is the quilted part, the interfacing shrunk just a little bit, so my lining piece was off just a little bit. So what I do, I fold it over so I could still sew it straight. And here I am pushing out the corners to make sure that they are just like I like them before I put my final stitch going around the flap. You can see I did embroider the baby name in pink to match the rest of the bag. Even though my last side of this bag, which is this side right here, is going to be in the inside of the bag, I still sew it because I don't want anything to ever come back open. Having an industrial machine while making bags has been a truly blessing. Yes, it can be done on a domestic, but I really enjoy having my industrial way better with making baby bags, or any kind of bag for that matter, when the things that I'm working with gets a little thick. Here in this scene, I am adding the flap to the baby bag, and you can see that I am actually sewing it on before I add the lining. And I go over it about 4 or 5 times because I want to make sure that that flap don't ever come loose, and it's very, very tight. And I do about 5 or 6 back stitches. And when I sew anything, I always use 2 spools of thread, upper and a bobbin. Here in this scene, I am actually sewing the lining onto the bag, and even though I don't show it in the video, I ended up taking one of the side seams apart because I forgot to not close it, so I could be able to turn the bag right side out and the lining be sewn on correctly. Here I am turning the bag right side out. It's a little work with turning bags right side out, but as you can see, I made it happen. Here I am closing the side seam up that I had to reopen so I could flip it back over. Now I am going around the whole top rim to give me a decorative stitch on the outside of the bag. Making sure I do my last stitch going around the bag to make sure the fabric stays in place, the lining does not move in and out. Here's the bag, front, back, and the inside all finished. If you like what you've seen, please like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.